over how to solve a three-variable system on your calculator, right? Three-variable system, again, like any system, we need at least 3 equations because we have 3 variables. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a matrix. Right? The important part here is to check and make sure that all the x's, all the y's, or the z's, or the variables that you have there, they're all in the same order for every equation. And the number, the equal sign, on the right side, you only have a number without variable. So I'm going to start by writing my matrix. So, first with the x, then with the y, and as you can see, I'm writing those as a column. So 2, -2, -1, and then the last column is going to be the one with the equal sign, right? The equals. With that, I'm going to go to my calculator right here. I'm going to go to my calculator and I'm going to write that matrix. So I'm going to go second matrix and I'm going to go to edit, right? Enter. Now this is a 3 by 4, right? Because we have 3 rows, 4 columns. And I'm going to write my matrix. So 1, 3, 2, -13. 5, 2, -2, -11, 7, -4, -1, and 29. Now I'm going to go to my main screen, so I'm going to go second quit. Right? And now I want to do a row reduction, right? So I'm technically trying to find almost an identity function, right? So, but I'm not going to do it algebraically. I'm just going to go directly to my calculator. So I'm going to go second matrix, math, and then I'm going to go either up and down until letter B to RREF. So again, that's row reduction. Make sure that you don't select the first letter A. We're using RREF. So we're going to press enter there. And again, I wrote that matrix on matrix A. So I'm going to go to second matrix and I'm going to name it right there. Press enter and enter. And that's going to give me the solution, right? So technically this equation, that matrix right here, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to write it here. So 0, 1, 0, -6, and then 0, 0, 1, 2. Technically what's happening here, remember that we had up here, we had x, y, and z. So we have the same x, y, and z. So on the first part, I get 1x plus 0y plus 0z equals to 1. This, of course, cancel out, this cancel out, so I get that x equals 1. So in that case, that means that y equals -6, and then z equals 2. This is a 2 right there, right? So the solution, we're going to write it in another pair where it's going to be x, y, and z. That's my solution. Okay, let's see the second one. So the second one, again, I'm going to start by checking that everything in the same order. So x is first, y second, z is third. And then on the right side, I only have numbers without variables. So that means that I got 4, 3, -1, -1, -4, 7, 9, -5, 11, and then -3, -31, 27. So again, I'm going to go to the calculator. So second matrix. And in this case, just to be safe, I'm going to go to B, so 3 by 4, and then I got 4, -1, 9, -3, 3, -4, -5, -31, -1, 7, 11, and 27. Enter. Right? Again, I'm going to go to the main screen right here, and I'm going to find that REF. Right? So second matrix, and I'm going to give you a shortcut here. So I'm going to go to second math. Remember that REF was on letter B, so I'm going to go alpha B. Yeah. Now I'm going to go second matrix. Remember that I wrote that second equation on matrix B, so number 2 right there, and enter. And again, my solution here is going to be -8, -2, and 3. Okay, so on number 3, you can see right there, that's the matrix that you should have. Again, make sure that every x is the same order, every y is in the same order, every z is in the same order. right? And then the number, right? So this is your solution. So it should be -4, -1, and 10. On number 4, that should be the matrix right there. So I'm actually missing something here on your matrix. So let's quickly add it here. So I'm missing the last column. That it should be 20, 35, and -9. That should be the matrix that you're using. And your solution should be 3, -3, and 7. Let's see the last one. So it's important to see that now on the last one, on number 5, we don't have y on the first one, so we should have a, 0, -z, or -1, and 7. Then 4, 3, z, 0, -31. Then on the last one, I got 0 here, -7, -2, 73. So again, let's go to the calculator. So second matrix, edit. I'm going to choose number 3 there. So this is a 3 by 4. So that means that I got 8, 0, -1, 7. There's an error, so let's go to here. So -1, 7. Then I got 4, 3, 0, -31, 0, -7, -2, and 73. And again, let's go to the main screen. Remember second quit, then second matrix. Again, alpha, actually before alpha, let's go to the right, then alpha B, and then second matrix. Again, I wrote this one on C, so I'm going to select 3 here, and press enter. So that means that my solution here, my solution is 2, -13, and 9. And that's it for this lesson. May the 4th be with you.